One is our time right now. Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to KARK for today. You know, we all notice when gas prices go up, usually around the beginning of summer, but this year the economy is just a bit different. So joining us now to talk about all this is our official state, or at least one of our state economic forecasters. This is Dr. Pakko, and you're at UALR. We appreciate you joining us this morning. Now, you know, Arkansas hasn't been hit nearly as hard as many other states during our recent recession. So what condition are we in right now?
Well, our unemployment rate has remained a couple of percentage points lower than the national average. We've certainly been affected by the recession, but right now we're kind of at the waiting point where economic growth has resumed, and we're waiting to see the job growth to really make it feel like we're in recovery.
So is it your forecast then that we are on the way up, and throughout the 2010 year we're going to see increasing progress toward a recovery?
We should be seeing some job growth later this year, significantly so, and that's going to extend on through 2011. Of course, we've lost so many jobs during this recession that it's going to be a long, slow process to build back up to where we were, to what we call full employment.
Arkansas right now has a 7.7 unemployment rate, which again is well below many states in this country, but still there are a lot of folks out there without jobs. Now, as a forecaster, what would you say are our growth sectors that these people need to be looking toward?
Well, the growth sector that's really been strong really throughout this recession has been health services, anything having to do with health care. And that's a trend that's likely to continue as our population ages and we consume more health services. But, you know, Arkansas has also been strong in transportation, and manufacturing continues to be a strong industry, although it's not going to be the engine of job growth that it once was.
And education still is the primary tool. So now if you have somebody out there that's looking to better their station in life, it's a great opportunity now to head back to school, wouldn't you say? That's
often what people do during hard economic times, and that's a good strategy because there's a demonstrated payoff to having a higher education in terms of salary and wages earned over your lifetime.
Well, let's talk specifically about some of those growth sectors now. You said health as our population continues to get older. Specifically, what kind of jobs are we talking about that people need to look at?
Well, really, you know, the traditional nursing, if you want to become a doctor, that's a little bit longer path. But, you know, the clerical work, the office management, you know, any activity that has to do with the medical industry, that's where the jobs are appearing right now, anyway. All
right, so it looks like it's going to be a pretty good year. In your forecast, you know, we questioned some of our weather forecasts, but our economic forecast, you say you're right on the money, right?
Yeah, it's very, very similar.
All right, thank you. Dr. Pakko, we appreciate you joining us this morning. All right.